Right, so let's have a look at this one. Okay, so throw out your answers, go for it. Tell me what you think. So I'm going to do my check area. So first of all, check area is going to be that base of fifth. It's going to be high yield areas on these feet, always going to be the base of fifth. And at first you may think to yourself, I don't really see anything wrong with the base of fifth, right? But actually, if I get that pen out and draw along like so, draw along like so, draw along like so, you can start to see that there is this cortical abnormality that is located over here and located over here as well. Let's zoom in a bit to try and see what's going on. Let's zoom in. And yeah, when you come up to that kind of cortex, it doesn't get more sclerosed as you get closer and closer to the base of fifth. It actually looks very, very, very radiolucent. Yeah, so someone's thrown in a classification. That's fine. Yeah, you can go for the classification systems as well. There's like, I can't remember them now off the top of my head. But the point, like, the big thing that you want to be able to identify is whether there's any articular surface involvement. And so with this one, you can see that what looks like a radiolucent line, there's no evidence of increased sclerosis as you come up to it. So it's not a vascular channel. This very much looks like a fracture. There's no evidence of any articular surface involvement as well. So now if we zoom out, let's have a look and see whether there's anything else anywhere else. So yep, that looks okay. No other fractures anywhere else. Terminal, the phalanges look okay. Metatarsals look okay. Really important that you have a look at this region over here. Just make sure that you've made sure there's no evidence of fuzziness of the cortex, because if there's fuzziness of the cortex, then you may be worried about a stress fracture. And if we just reset this, let me just reset it all. We don't see any evidence of any other fractures anywhere else, but there you can see that slightly sort of bit of soft tissue swelling over that region, and that first metatarsal doesn't quite align with that proximal metatarsal for the phalanx. So that's going to be a Hallux valgus deformity. It's very common to have that sort of over time, essentially it's a bunion. Navicular fractures are things that are often missed, and often cuboid fractures. And when you get cuboid fractures, you normally get like a fracture, that distal aspect of the calcaneum as well. So those are good areas to look for. But yeah, there is a fracture of that base of fifth over there. Right, so how are we doing? Yeah, we're doing all right. And we've got 2 more cases. So yeah, we're doing okay. Let's have a look.